Different fellas around the way. And the air honour domestically have been installed today for the particular crowd at Salthill. The pair are so new they were just practicing, so the aircraft are back.
Wala sa atin yan. Kita nyo naman.
Vintage.
Mahapon na. May nakatayo sa ibabaw. Kumakaway.
About 150 miles an hour. So it's really, really fast. And when you get to the bottom of the loop, they're pulling about 40, which means that makes you feel about 4 times your normal weight. So as you can probably realise, the girls have to be fairly fit and strong to do this job. And there they go, this is a bit of more pose. And here they come. Down to the bottom, girls go and up they go and over the top. That is a fantastic feeling when you're on the top of the aeroplane. You can just see the world going round. Vic Norman, who runs the Aero Superbatics team, and we call the wing walker sandwich. It's actually much harder for the girl on the aircraft underneath, as the pressure from the one on the top actually pushes down quite hard on you. Utterly bummed. Thank you, waving to the girls. And down we go.
They're very good for camouflage purposes so that the aircraft flying low across the... Probably pulling 6.5G there. The crew too are experiencing 6.5 times their own weight. They're pressed back into the seat. When the aircraft is flying at high speed, low level, you're talking now, this has a built-in flight refueling probe, which can...
Nakasayaw ko yan, nakasayaw ko.
Ano nga uli? Ano nga uli yun? Ano nga uli?
Sinayaw ni Nomer.
Oo, ikaw. Sabi mo ikaw eh.
Hi. Nakita rin namin ng mga ano.
So, ang daming tao.
Make a public service. Please take care of all your possessions. Look after your mobile phone, your cash, your wallet, and or your camera. Take care of yourself as well. And look after your Gucci shoes. If you're standing out in the bay, it'll be underwater very, very soon now. So you
Okay lang yun, nasa harapan ako kayo.
Ano mula? Takeaway lang mula tayo, no? Takeaway lang ba? Wala tayong makakainan pa isa. Ayun, ang ganda oh.
Hindi ko na nga iniilay na lagi sa magkatabi eh.
the US Air Force aircraft for war.
Ganda. Ayan o.
The helicopter known as the Blackhawk. Across the used for search and rescue and for lots of other jobs. But the one here today thinks he's a Harrier, I think, because he's being flicked on the side, as you can see. The particular... During a streamer...
Hello.
Mag-parachute yan? Dagat na tayo. Dagat niya. Maganda yung video. Maganda video. Sayang ang film ko dyan. Ay, sila o.
Sige na, kailangan yung mga lalaki doon sa taas, mga babae sa babae.
Hindi, babae sa likod.
Nakataas na nilagay na lang.
Saan? Saan naman na lalaki?
Doon, tuktok kayo.
Tuktang lang?
Sino?
Gago. Yeah, sinayaw ni Nomer to eh, sinayaw.
Sinayaw namin kagabi yan.
Sinayaw ni Nomer, yan.
Sino? Ito, mga ano, mga TNT. Ang dami, no? Ito, mga tatlong
Yung
to.
nagpapaganda, girlfriend ni Jimmy yan.
Mga illegal alien. Saan? Garda. Ito ni Jimmy.
Yari oh, sinasabo tayo oh. Kain ng kain oh.
Kain yun. Ayan, no?
Puruwain.
Ang bata sa ilong.
Palang daw. Nakakita na ako.
Sinido Connor.
Ito oh.
Sinido Connor.
Yari,
Ilong yung nakukunan eh. Ilong.
Parang walang problema.
Ano ba problema natin? Meron ba?
Meron. Meron.
Bitay ka rito, bitay.
Ay.